Good day, everyone. I am Mildred Kilang Sinampan, an active campaigner of International Marketing Group or IMG. Who is IMG? International Marketing Group is a financial services marketing organization whose associates, through its affiliated companies, offer a broad array of products since 2002. It is a team of independent contractors with tremendous resources dedicated to educating people about how money works. A leadership event with vast experience in the financial services industry committed to helping people change the course of their financial futures. The goal of IMG is to leave no family left behind in our pursuit to help people around the world achieve financial independence. It is a platform that teaches financial literacy, and the mission is to educate 30 million Filipino families by 2030. And how do we do it? One concept na itinuturo ng IMG is the secret to saving and building your future. Become your own financial educator, or yung tinatawag ng pag-build ng solid financial foundation. Paano magagawa o ano yung mga steps para makagawa ng isang solid financial foundation? Number 1, or the base of the financial house must be healthcare. Para sa pagkakataon na nagkakasakit tayo, lalo na pag tumanda na tayo ay may magagamit tayo sa ating pagkakasakit. The second is protection or life insurance. Pag breadwinner ka, kailangan kumuha ka ng life insurance or protect yourself to protect your family. Why? In case na nawala ka, sino ang aasahan nila? At least, pag may life insurance ka, may income replacement na aalalay sa family mo, lalo na pagka maliliit pa yung mga bata. The third is debt management. We must know how to manage debt dahil yan ay anay sa buhay. Hindi masama ang mangutang. Yun lamang po, wag nating hahayaan na lulubog tayo sa utang. Dapat mabayaran. Bakit? Sa katagalan kasi magiging problema yan ng family. There are two kinds of debt. The bad debts and the good debts. Ang good debts, ayan yung ginagamit natin pang negosyo or magkaroon ng another income streams para makatulong sa family. The other one is the bad debts. Ayan naman yung mga utang na binibili lamang natin ng mga luho na sa katagalan ay lumulubog tayo ng hindi namamalayan. Number 4 is emergency fund. We must build at least 3 to 6 months of our income as our emergency fund. Bakit? Kasi para pag nagka-emergency, meron tayong magagamit. Like, pag nasunugan tayo, may nagkakasakit, di ba emergency yun? Ang Pinoy, halos lahat walang pondo para sa emergency. Kaya pag nagka-emergency, saan pupunta? Sa utang. Doon nag-i-start yung mga problema sa family. Number 5 is the investment. Ito dapat yung bubong ng ating financial house. So, para sa, ano yung investment? Ito yung pwedeng gamitin, pwedeng kuhanin, na kikita sa katagalan, magiging passive income natin pagdating ng araw ng ating retirement. Ang Pinoy baliktad po. Tingnan natin yung financial house na ito. Kasi ang Pinoy baliktad. Pag gumawa ng financial house, mauuna ang investment. Pagka ganon, mali po ang tinatahak natin. Ang sabi, there must be an order of priority kapag itinatag natin ito. So ngayon, tingnan naman natin kung paano gawin at saan dapat i-execute yung mga ideas na ito. Panoorin po natin ang next videos.